Well, hello, it's great to have you with us on a day that doesn't quite feel like October 14th here in Happy Valley. That's right, feeling almost summer-like out there as we look live over West Campus. Our IST building camera, 72 degrees, dew point in the 60s. Feeling a little warm and even muggy if you're stepping outside this afternoon. Not to mention that breeze coming from the south-southwest at 16 miles per hour. Definitely a little bit of not so much of a fall day here in the valley. As we look at those wind gusts around the state, we've had some pretty blustery winds across the entire region. Winds gusting to the 24 miles per hour in Pittsburgh, gusting into the 30s in the northwestern portion of the state. And that is all associated with the system that is approaching our area. And that wind has also brought in some pretty mild temperatures, 72 again here in State College, off towards the south and east. Philadelphia checking in at 78, and Pittsburgh also near 80 degrees. And as we take a wider view, that's the story across much of the eastern seaboard. Boston, Saranac Lake, Buffalo, all checking in the 70s. Pretty atypical weather, especially down in Richmond, 82 as well. And that, as we show you the satellite, we have that system off to our west, this big low over the Great Lakes with this cold front trailing down to the southeastern United States, all the way down to Florida, bringing storms to parts of the southeast, even some tornado warnings popping up this afternoon. And that's all going to swing through our area as we get into tomorrow. Not going to be quite as stormy here, but we will be dealing with some heavy rain at times through the day tomorrow. In terms of our forecast and how this is going to play out, we'll see those showers continuing through the night and into tomorrow morning. But then that really heavy burst of rain moves through probably by about midday tomorrow. You can see those oranges and even some reds showing up, indicating that heavy precipitation pushing through our area. That will all track off to the east by the time we get into Wednesday evening, leaving us with just a few lingering showers as we head into your Thursday morning. In terms of the exact details of tonight's forecast, we'll see lows in the lower 60s. That's closer to our average high for this time of year. Scattered showers continuing through the evening. Winds gusty and from the south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And tomorrow, again, those showers and storms moving throughout the day. 68 degrees your high, getting cooler through the afternoon as that colder air slides in behind the front. Winds southeast, again, 10 to 15 miles per hour. And in the 7-day forecast, things will begin to calm down and quiet down by the time we get into the end of the week. Some clouds sticking around through Thursday and Friday, but otherwise returning to a much more typical fall pattern with highs in the 60s to the upper 50s by the time we get to next week. Well, that is your latest forecast, and I'm student meteorologist Brad Guay.